Okay, here we are looking at the bearish evening star pattern. Now, I don't want you to be confused with like this doji here in the middle just because it's blue. It can be green, it may be red, but when it hits a certain point, a level, a zone, please pay attention to this because this is very important. These three characters right here make up the bearish evening star pattern. So again, when you hit maybe like your supply zone or your resistance level, you hear me when I said supply zone or resistance level. They both appear at the top. So let me show you on the chart. Just remember these three characters is what you will be looking for. So they can look something like this right here. Let me see if I can get a shape so that I can show you. This is where you will find your shapes. You can just grab a rectangle and you can see. I want to just show you what they look like so that when you come to a zone, see, or a level, you can look for these. And of course, you may get some that are longer than others, and that's okay, you know, but let's look for some more. I want you to definitely know what they look like. The reason I click this button here is because I wanted to be able to scroll, and sometimes it won't allow you to unless you select that button there. You're always looking for three characters, or even the engulfing, like this engulfing. Red is engulfing that green. So yeah, you want to get these. And I'm sure I passed some. I probably passed some, but don't be discouraged. Let's get it. Just gotta learn it. That's all. And it will take some time to learn, but as long as you're trying, don't beat yourself up about it. Okay. So again, not only those you will see at certain zones or levels, you will also see, okay, like say, for example, when you come to the demand zones, you'll be looking for this kind of pattern, like this engulfing pattern. You see this bullish is green or blue, and it is completely engulfing this, the bear right there. I want you to go on your chart and look for these patterns. Because these are patterns that you would look for when you come to certain zones and certain levels. Okay? Do not be discouraged. We all had to learn this, and as you continue to go along, like if you're trying to make fast money, this trading just does not work that way. You have to but I'm gonna say this, just because you know it does not work that way don't mean, okay, well, I can't do it, I'm giving up. No, don't do that, because and then what are you gonna do? Go work a 9 to 5? You don't want to do that. So just take your time and learn it. Go through the videos. You don't necessarily have to go through my videos. I just want you to know that. Sorry, that was my phone chirping. Yeah, I just want you to know that you can look at different Forex videos, those that make sense to you and those that helps you out. This is your chart, so you make it do what you need it to do for you, as I've said so many times in my other videos. And I know that wasn't in a morning star pattern, but it is engulfing. This bear is engulfing the green. So I'm just showing you some patterns right now, because I want you to know what to look for. Okay. Just look for different patterns. And I don't look for, so when I'm at the top, when I have reached a supply zone or a resistance level, I am either looking for an engulfing pattern, these three characters, or I'm looking for something like this bearish engulfing. See that? It's engulfing this one. You see what happened after that? It took off. Okay. And I know you see a lot of them. I'm not going to mark all of them. I'm just showing you what you can be, what you can look for. You see what happened here once you made it here. And so let me show you, if I was to put on my supply and demand zones, what it would look like. You see that? I put on my supply and demand zone, and it showed you that the pattern formed right here at the supply zone. It came down, its pullback, it pulled right back into the supply zone again. I hope I said that for this one. This is your supply zone. It came back into your supply zone again. It formed this pattern. So this is what you'll be looking for. Let me see if we had any other ones form at those zones. Let me scroll down some. This is your demand zone. Yep. Don't overcomplicate it. You'll be fine. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you want other videos showing something else, let me know. Thank you.